Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add PowerPoint table border. To start, open PowerPoint. After that, in the Insert menu, you are going to click on Shapes and then select the rectangle. On the slide, drag this shape to the desired position. When you do, right-click on the rectangle and select Format Shape. On the side, in Fill, check the option No Fill. Then in Line, leave the option Solid Line. In Color, select the desired color for the border, and in Width, define what the width of the border will be. You can see that this size is immediately applied. Now select the rectangle and in the Home menu click Copy. When a new slide is added, click Paste to make the border available. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.